Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Oven Element Assy for Blodgett part number 33244. The Oven Element Assy for Blodgett part number 33244 is a replacement part for Blodgett ovens. It is an assembly of parts that includes the heating element, the element bracket, and the terminal block. The heating element is a coiled wire that produces heat when electricity passes through it. The element bracket holds the heating element in place and provides insulation to protect it from heat loss. The terminal block provides a connection point for the electrical wiring to be connected to the heating element. This assembly is designed to provide reliable and This part fixes the following symptoms. This oven element assembly is used to replace a faulty or damaged element in a Blodgett oven. It can help to fix symptoms such as an oven not heating up, uneven heating, or the element not turning on. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the oven. 2. Remove the oven door and any racks or other items inside the oven. 3. Locate the existing element assembly and disconnect it from the wiring harness. 4. Remove any screws or other fasteners that are holding the element in place. 5. Install the new element assembly in place of the old one, making sure to line up all of the mounting holes and secure it with screws or other fasteners as necessary. 6. Connect the wiring harness to the new element assembly, making sure all connections are secure and properly insulate. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.